How to build a Wix website for free in 10 minutes. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be building a Wix website completely for free in under 10 minutes. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over to wix.com and click on Get Started. Once you do, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or your email address. I'm going to proceed with Google over here for a quick and easy sign up. Now, when you're creating a free website on Wix, make sure you do know that when you're using a free website, you do not have the ability to add things like a payment tool. So if you're looking to add a payment tool, then you're not going to be able to accept payments on the free version of Wix. So with a Wix website that you can build for free, you can create things like a portfolio website, booking websites, landing pages, all of that can be done. We're going to build a simple portfolio website. For this, I'm going to click on Create New Site to start building our new site on Wix. Now, you can get started with AI. I want to set this up without AI chat because it really doesn't make a lot of difference for me personally. And I'm going to skip with these onboarding questions and move directly towards my Wix dashboard. You can proceed with the AI chat. Sometimes it can be a bit helpful for certain people. Now over here, you're going to have a pop-up and this is what you want to fill out. So first off, you're going to customize what your website is called. My website is going to be called Lily's Portfolio, and then I'm going to click on continue. After that, you're going to set the goals for this site. So I want to display creative work. After that, this is going to recommend some applications that it thinks you should add to your store. You can select these from here. I just want to add a portfolio and that is it. I don't want bookings or online store. I just want portfolios, and you can add things like Instagram feed if you want to display that. But I'm just going to proceed over here and then click on continue to dashboard. Now, once you have continued on to your Wix dashboard, it's time to start updating your site. So click on Design Site on the top right, and once you do, you can generate a design or customize a template. Both are amazing options. So I'm going to click on Generate a Design. The reason why I like to do this is because it creates something that is really, close to what I want and still is highly customizable. You're going to be able to edit this completely later on, so you can really build the idea that you want. It's generating Lily's portfolio based on your site profile. It's a local business with a site structure which includes one page. Its content will be based on the site description. It's going to feature classy fonts and sophisticated monochrome layout. It's one big title and overlapping elements in a complex advanced design. So it is generating everything, and on the right we have a preview. It's going to take a couple of seconds for everything to be generated, and we're going to make it a little different, obviously, little different. And now it's going to change it. You can change the site brief as well to generate according to your personal preference. And I'm going to wait for the regeneration. It might be pretty similar because we did not provide it with a new brief, but yeah, this is slightly different, but I think this is better. And I'm going to click on continue with our design. Now this is the expensive part. If you're looking to get started for free, just click on continue to the editor, because we're going to be using our free Wix domain instead of having to purchase a domain separately. So we're just going to proceed on to our Wix site. And now it is optimizing our pages and creating our pages so that we can customize them. So this is what our pages look like. And once we go on to our pages over here, and this is setting up our applications. Yeah, this is setting up our apps, and just like that, our basic site structure or wireframe has been created. Now on the top, I'm going to increase the size of my header and then move my menu from the right side. On the left, we have this vector art space. This is for your logo. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm just going to place my text over here, which is the text displaying the actual name of my business. If you have a logo, you can add that. After that, we have this section. So I'm going to click on this section over here and then click on change background, click on image on the right. And once you click on image, you can click on upload media or explore media from Wix. Let's say I'm building a portfolio as a stylist, so I'm just going to use some fashion related images. You are definitely going to upload your own images when you're building your portfolio or whenever you're building your site. And I'm just going to be using this as our site image. Now, once I have done this, I am going to add my content. So fashion or style fashion. Let's say I want to add Lily's style portfolio. And then I'm going to write, and I'm going to add another text block at the bottom. So we're going to add this one over here, and I want this to be displayed on the top section. So I'm just going to add it over here. Explore the world of storytelling via fashion. Whatever your taglines are, however you're profiling or branding yourself, you can add that over here. I think the images are looking a bit too sharp against the actual text. So you can click on the change background and then click on the filter section here. And you can go into the photo studio and actually add overlays. So I'm going to decrease the brightness. It's a bit darker because I want to have this overlay on my image. So the text, because I want to use white text on top, is more visible. Yeah, you guys can see how my text is more visible. And now I have this view more button, which I'm going to keep over here. And then I'm going to scroll down. Then I have this about section. So I'm going to write about me. And then I can write my journey as an artist, and I can write that. And then I have this discover button. So I might want to add a complete about me section, and I don't want to add a services section. So I'm just going to click on this and then click on delete. And I'm going to actually have to delete this entire section from the right side, like so. And then we have Lily's portfolio, your address, your email address, all of that is going to be added. Now, in my About Me section, I want to have like a full page as well. The way that you're going to add a full page as well is simply by clicking on the Discover, by going into Pages and Menus on the left, click on Add Menu Item, click on New Page, and you're going to click on Blank Page. And once you add your blank page, you're going to rename this to your About Me page and then click on Done. Once you click on Done, click on the top where you're going to navigate back to your home page, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to click on your button, click on Choose Link, and then in a new window, you're going to open up the About Me page. And just like that, you can add a simple summary. So I started art when I was 3 using my Legos, using my plushies as models, whatever, story you want to write, you can add that. And on the right side, I am going to add an image. Now, this is just your home page. If I go onto the top and go into portfolio, the portfolio section will allow me to add all of my work. Depending on your niche, your work is going to be different. You can click on your portfolio section, and if you don't want to display images, you can delete this and click on add elements. And you can add things like boxes, you can add interactive elements, videos, as well as different structured elements where you have text and images. So you can add those as well to display your work. Once completed, click on Publish on the top right, and once you click on Publish, your Wix website is now live and ready, and you will have a free domain name that you can use. You can also go back into your site dashboard, so you can click on to the top left and click on Go to Dashboard to manage and edit any of your Wix site editing. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.